Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg Art, and I just finished a new commission work, this time for Ethan Ramirez. Ethan wanted the fusion of my original SAIYAN BANASES, which you can see on the left, with his original SAIYAN, which you can see on the right. And in the middle, we have the fusion in the Super Saiyan Blue evolution form, charging an attack. All of that on an A3 size paper, and I made that happen. And you can also watch this video again in 4K quality if you're able to. I have to say this drawing was a lot of work. 2 of the 3 characters are in a dynamic pose, which is way more demanding, and to color a full A3 size paper is always very time consuming. But Ethan and I are very happy with the final result. I think the drawing is very clean, everything is on point, and the coloring turned out very good, especially for the fusion in the middle. Big thanks to Ethan for this big commission. I love my supporters. So guys, what do you think of this drawing? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to get a drawing according to your wishes, just like Ethan, email me at arttolg@gmail.com or message me on Instagram and Facebook. You can also get my original drawings on my Etsy shop. All the links down below in the info box. And if you want to support me for free, just thumb up the video. It would be great to reach 1000 likes on this video today. Also subscribe to help my channel to grow and hit the bell icon to not miss any of my future videos. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.